Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. In this video we'll be examining the market to check out what we should look out for in today's trade. Okay, remember we usually do this my $500 tips for trading boom and crash tonight. Okay, my $500 tips for trading boom and crash tonight, and that is what we will be looking at in today's video. We are going to be analyzing the market together to see what we should look out for whenever we are trading tonight, so that we can have some profitable trades for ourselves. Okay, so that is what we will be looking at in tonight's video. Okay, for those of you that have been following up with this, thanks a lot for doing that, and thanks a lot for sharing your results with me. I'm really happy that you guys are really doing well, and you guys are improving in your trading activities, and you making quite a number of you have been able to withdraw from the market, and some of you have done that for about 5 times or 6 times, and I'm really happy about this, because the main essence of dishing out training videos like this is for you guys to be able to have some profitable trades on the platform and withdraw from the platform. Okay, so if you are just joining us for the very first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some profit for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, so if you are yet to go through any of our training videos, okay, feel free to browse through the channel. They are all training videos. I've got lots and lots of them in the channel. Feel free to browse through them, watch them, and make sure you understand everything explained there, and also practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. I'm going to repeat that again. Practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. If you have something that is not clear to you, feel free to ask your question. I will always be online. Okay, just send your message to me on WhatsApp, and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will reply you as soon as possible. So if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and turn it to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And also, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay, we'll be doing our analysis right now. So like I said, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and we'll be analyzing boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500, and I'll be giving you a tip on what you should look out for tonight before you place your trade, the type of movement the market is giving us, and what you should go into. Okay, that is most likely to happen in the market. And like I used to say in all my videos, whatever I'll be doing in today's video is going to be based on my own personal analysis. Okay, and it's also going to be based on the on what I'm finding in the market at the moment. The time at which I'm doing this is at 8 o'clock, so 8 p.m. Nigerian time. In case you are not seeing it at exactly this time, or you are not watching it live and direct, then definitely you need to confirm the analysis on your chart before you dive into it. And I'm also using my personal indicator to do my analysis on this, okay, which is the QDC stripper indicator. So let's go straight to the trading platform. So if you are able to meet up with all these conditions, then you are good to go. But for those that have been following through my training videos, more especially my $500 trading tips like this, okay, all this while that I've been doing it, for those that have been following through, I know they have been milking the market successfully because they share their results with. So like you have seen right now, we are starting with boom 1000. Okay, for boom 1000, just the way we are seeing it right now, taking my analysis from 5 minute time frame, and you already know the time at which I'm taking my analysis, so all these are very important in your consideration before you follow up with the trade. Okay, so and I'm using the QDC scripper indicator to do my analysis. Boom 500, boom 1000 has been an uptrend for a very long time. It got to this resistance level and pulled down to this level, but went back up. Like I always tell you, it will always go back up till the trend comes to an end. Okay, this is where it comes to an end, and a downtrend started right from there. Okay, it started right from here. This was a smooth trip, okay, for a downtrend to this level. Okay, this is where it ended. It ended right here, and right here at this support level, it is going back on uptrend. I put this horizontal line here because it is consolidating around this region, so I was expecting it to break out from here. Once it breaks out from here, then it should go on uptrend successfully. So it's going to be a buy for boom 1000, but I will advise you to wait for the breakout. Okay, it is a buy for boom 1000, but wait for the breakout. Okay, I'm going to show you the breakout for the breakout. Okay, so wait for it. So let's go back to the platform to see. This is where the breakout will happen. Once it breaks out from here successfully, from this region successfully, that is at 10997. Once it breaks out from here successfully, then you can go in. It will be buying for a very long time, and at this point it might want to reverse back at this point, but once it gets broken, gets broken, then definitely we should be looking at this. Of course, it should get to this level before it will reverse fully, and each time it gets to each of this resistance level, always consider this to know if it is still going to go up or not. But at this moment it is a buy, guy. So let's check out boom 500 right away. For boom 500, we can see that it was we experienced two things together. Right here we got a downtrend from here, and you can see it coming down right from here till this very moment where the trend came to an end, and it started an uptrend immediately right from here, and it went up to this level where the uptrend came to an end. It's not for a very long time, but it was long enough to make it was long enough for you guys to make some profit for yourself. But right here, the downtrend has started. It started right here, even though it has started for a very long time, but it is still on downtrend. It got to this level and it pulled back a bit, and right now it is going to go back on a sell. Okay, it is going to go back on a sell. If it breaks out from this candle successfully, then definitely it will get to this support level. It has gotten there before, it was unable to break it, and this time around it will be coming down with full force. It might likely break it, and if it is unable to break it, it will pull back up again and try to retest it again until it is able to break it. Once it breaks it, so far this trend is still red, then definitely it will get to this support level before it will come to an end. Okay, so for boom 500, it is a sell, guys. It is a sell. Let's check out crash 1000. Let's check out crash 1000. Okay, for crash 1000, remember this is still on 5 minute time frame. Before doing the analysis, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping it in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, because that is the only way you can be updated whenever I am doing a training video like this. Okay, for crash 1000, it was on a downtrend before. The downtrend started from here. This is where the trend started from. Okay, it started from here, and it's been going down since then. Okay, it's been going down since then. There are several pullbacks in between, but it kept on going down till it got to the end of the trend. This is where the trend came to an end, and we started a new trend from here, which is an uptrend. We got a buy signal here, went up a bit, came down again, and it will likely get to this support level again before it will start going up again. So let it wait for the buy signal at this support level again, by then you should go into the trade again. It will start buying again, so it's going to be a buy, except if it breaks this support level. Of course, I'm not expecting that at the moment because the trend has actually changed into into an uptrend. Okay, it has actually changed into an uptrend, so it is only finding difficult to break out from this resistance level. I will have asked you to wait for it to break out from this resistance level. Of course, it is a buy, so I'm going to, let's put it that way, wait for this breakout to happen before you go into the trade, because it's finding difficult to break out from this 4MA candles, which is serving as the resistance level right here. Okay, so for crash 1000, it is a buy, but wait for the breakout, guys. Wait for the breakout. Okay, so that is it. That is how we're going to handle that aspect. Okay, so we will wait for the breakout, but it is a buy. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 500, guys. Crash 500, where are you? Okay, I've seen it. This is crash 500. It was on down trend before, right from here. Even though the market was a bit raging today, it's been going up and down, up and down, up and down, but still following the downtrend till it comes to the end of the trend right here. And right here it says that it is going on uptrend, even though right here on higher time frame we will consider this region as consolidating area. Okay, but it was trying to go up, even though it was still coming down, was still trying to go up. Okay, so that is the way it has been doing. And like I have explained earlier, okay, there is a resistance level. Okay, it is trying to break out from this resistance level, but it is still on uptrend, so it's going to pull back a bit and try to go up again and see if it can break out from this resistance level. So what we should be expecting is the breakout. Okay, once the breakout happens, you can go into the trade and buy. Okay, because it is going to go on a buy. Okay, to still continue with the buy, but wait for the breakout. Wait for the breakout, because it is already at the resistance level. Okay, it is already at a resistance level. Okay, once you experience the breakout from this resistance level, let me pull the horizontal line. Once you experience the breakout, you can see it's finding it difficult to break out from this resistance level. So once it breaks out from there, then it should shoot up totally on full uptrend at that particular point. Of course, it should shoot up totally on full uptrend, so we should look out for that. It's going to happen any moment from now. It is trying to pull back, I mean to break out from there. It is trying, it has tested it several times. This time around it is coming in a powerful way, and it is most likely for it to break out from it. So let's wait for it. Once it breaks out from it, then you can go into the trade fully. But at the moment, despite the fact that it is a buy trade, you can't go in at the moment. The reason is it is at a resistance level. Anything can happen at a resistance level, so it is always risky you going in at a resistance level, not especially for a for an asset like this. Okay, so wait for a breakout before you buy into the trade. So once that happens, then you can go into the trade. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. This is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and this, I always do this every day in order for you to know what you should look out for whenever you are trading. Okay, this is just to guide you in order to trade successfully, and I will always advise you. Okay, so many people have been taking to the advice. Okay, whenever you are trading, make sure make sure you practice well to perfect your skill, and once you have done that, you can now go into the live into your live account and start trading. Okay, do not deviate from the strategy which you have learned. Okay, do not go away from it. Make sure you follow every rules and regulation, and as you are making profit, there are two things that should come to your mind. Number one, you are making profit in order to withdraw some part of profit for yourself. Okay, you need to pay yourself. This is a business. You must pay yourself in any business you are doing, so you need to pay yourself first. Okay, then the second thing is you need to grow your trading capital. So you should learn to manage your resources, your income. You should learn to manage it in such a way that you will withdraw some for yourself and also use the other part to grow your business, so that it will be more easier for you to make more profit at the end of the day. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.